So I want all of you to open your chat box wherein I have pasted few chat links right away. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus on this particular link. Yes. The second link is of payment link because in case you have not enrolled yet in this batch, no need to worry. You can still complete your payment process and you can join this batch. In case you want to give us a feedback, you can just fill up this feedback form and we'll get it. You have complete right to know in detail about this particular batch detail. For this, you just need to click on this link. In case you have any further queries, you can always email us at support@olympiaccesses.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Yes, we will be going to go live on the Facebook. In case you find an internet glitch and you will not be able to join us back via Zoom, no need to worry. You can watch this demo, which will be live on the Facebook. With this, I want Devain to sit properly. Your hair are looking very nice. You are looking a smart fan. Okay, so sit actively now. Okay. So now I would like to invite Ms. Gunjan at the platform to interact with you. Obviously, she will be going to take all of your sessions. So she is a mentor. Her classes are very calm, composed, and of course productive because she is into teaching profession since I guess 7 years now. And with Olympiad classes, she is connected since beginning. So with this, over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Hello everyone, how are you all? Good to see you. I'll be your mentor for the next classes. Okay. Uh, since ma'am was saying that my experience is about 7 years, but I think I have started to teach kids like you from 2016. So I think it's around 9 or 10 years, and it's from 2013 I have been teaching. I am in the teaching profession, but from 2016 I have been teaching kids like. Okay, so I don't know what is your age now and what is my experience. Okay, so talking about myself, yes, I live in Kota city. There is, if you know that it is really a hub of different coachings and Olympiad students. We all see here. Have you given Olympiads, or is this your first time? Students, have you given Olympiads earlier of any subject? Write it in the chat which Olympiads you have given. Maths, okay. And in maths also, which Olympiad you have given? What is the name of the Olympiad? Okay, Agrima is saying first time. Yes, Gauraj, you have given maths Olympiads. There are different names, for example, IMO, IOM. So which type of Olympiad is you have given? SOF, IMO. Okay. Science, doing science and reasoning, IMO. Okay. Circle, okay, IMO. Those who are giving first time, they can also write first time. Math, science, English as well. Okay, Myra. Okay, tell me, what is the difference in your normal exams and in your IMO? What do you think? Why it is different? Why we are giving it? What do you think? I'm just telling so that you can interact with me. You can be engaged in the class also. What I am saying, you should be communicating either through chat or through unmuting yourself in the class. Right now, you are in this setting that you are not allowed to unmute yourself. But here you have to write fast. You have to be interactive and keyboard. Okay. IMO is an extra curriculum test, maybe. Maybe. What do you mean by maybe? Because you don't know. Villain is strong. Doha. IMO is harder and has more chapters than normal exams. No, that this is not the case. Some of the students think that if we are giving Olympiad, then there must be more chapters. We have to learn more chapters than the regular chapters. But this is not the case. We have to study only those chapters only that are in your content, school content. But only the questions can be asked in a tricky manner. that are not hard. Okay, students, listen. The Olympiad questions are not hard, but they are asked in a twisted way. If your basics are clear, that what you have to do, if you understood what is asking in the question, now only thing is now you have to derive it. That means how you will normal asking the normal calculation also they will ask you in kind of a word problem. Okay, so you have to just understand the question well, and if your basics are clear how to find it, or the thing that you are doing in your class, that how to solve any question, then it will be okay. Basic thing is you should be fast. It is basically enhancing your critical thinking to approach on any question. Okay, that's very interesting. No problem if you are not able to complete all the questions, but when you start doing these questions, your mental ability, your critical thinking will be increased. Okay, so that's really a very uh, that's very this is really a very good practice. And after in 11th and 12th you will be doing your competitive exam, in that there will be multiple choice question. If you are doing these multiple choice question in class 5th, then it will be very easy to, yes, it is easy, but if you study, yes Pratham, that is correct, it is easy if you study. Okay, so everything needs your practice. Okay, so once you are familiar with the pattern of multiple choice question, it will be very easy to do in the competitive exams that you do in your IITs and medicals. Okay, if you prepare for that. So, okay, Pooja ma'am, we will begin with the, I have not told them that what is your demo topic. So once we finish this, and then we will start. Okay.
They need to wait a little bit more. The surprise. Okay.
Yes.
So Megha ma'am, can we have a quick presentation on the screen, please?
Sure, ma'am. All right, kids, so kindly be attentive. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examinations. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matters. We are having 8 courses, School Plus program, mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only, no need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies because Olympiad examination is quite a little tougher than the regular curriculum. So we are having live Olympiad sessions, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significance of teaching experience. We're having 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. This session includes topic-wise mock test and discussion on previous year papers, and student will get a reading material and practice question which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wise mock test. So syllabus is available on this particular link, and the fee of the course is rupees 10,038 rupees. It is a 45 session course and payment can be made by using this link. This fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else is required? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 9th of July 2020-25. In 2020-24, Olympiad Success has students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Show me thumbs up if I'm clear. Okay. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Let me share my screen with you all. I hope my screen is visible to everybody. So you have to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com. After this, you will be going to get login page. So over here, you will be going to enter your registered email ID. And password. After signing in, you'll be going to get your profile details. Check it in case you find any error, you can update it over there. you can update it. After this, you need to click on live classes in which you'll be going to get your entire material. So click on the subject and of course topic. So here you can see the schedule, holiday calendar, reading material, question papers and answer keys. So in schedule, you will be going to get a clarity that in which session you're going to go which particular topic. So after completion of every chapter, there's a test discussion day for you that you'll go to discuss doubts in that particular test and in chapter with your mentor. Before that, you'll get a mock test paper, which you need to solve it at home. There are super classes also in that you'll be going to go previous year paper. In holiday calendar, that is for your reference. We do have already festival holidays, so we don't want you to miss any other sessions. Here you go with the reading material that has been given an in-depth knowledge for you. So here you go with the content. Here is the question paper for your reference. So there are answer keys also, but I recommend you just solve your paper first and then check your answers. Okay. Whether you have done correct, how much do you know about this particular chapter? So this question paper, here is the answer keys. We have more practice for you that is in the section of worksheet. Click on that. Of course, select your subject once again. And here you'll get the worksheets. Click on take exam. Read instructions. Tick this box. Click on start worksheet. So let me fill the answers. Click on next. Random answers I'm filling. I don't know what the correct answers as of now. So click, and once you're done all the questions, you need to submit a worksheet. For that, click on finish button. Excuse me. And here you go with the submissions. So for that, you can check your performance also. For that, click on performance button. Select your subject. And today is 2nd. I have attempted this worksheet. Click on view button so I can see the performance. So both answers are incorrect. Here you can review which is the correct answer. Okay. So this is how you can access your material on the dashboard. Okay. Log out. Let me stop sharing my screen. Now we are open for the QA round. If anybody is having any doubt, need a clarity, feel free to drop your question in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer your each and every query. If not, then show me thumbs up. We'll be good to go with the demo. Any doubt? Goransh, Prathul, Hamza, Lasya, Devain, Arnav, Shayan, turn on your camera, Anay. Okay, we got so many thumbs ups. Then shall we begin with the demo? Over to you, Gunjan ma'am.
Hello. Yes, students. So let's begin with your demo. So you were discussing about what topic we are going to start today. So it's a very easy chapter for you. I think many of you like it. Let's share. Okay, tell me, how many of you like it or it's easy for you? Okay, Hamza is saying easy. Okay. Hello? Yes. So let's begin. Today we are going to cover that what is your understanding time, what is the time conversion, adding and subtracting time, 12-hour format and a 24-hour format, finding the duration and word-based problem. Okay. So can you tell me what do you understand by time? Why we need it? What a time explains you? Tell me something about time. Write it in the chat. What do you know about a time? No idea? If I say that, suppose a word sums. No, I'm asking why we need time, what you tell through a time. Suppose your time is, your class started at 5 p.m. Suppose your class started at 5 p.m. So 5 p.m. means what you are telling, that when your event occur. That means there are two types of time. Okay, Goransh, 24 and 12. So time tells you when your event, any event is occurring, and it also tells you that what is the total duration of the event. For example, if I say this is a 1 hour class, then this is called your duration. That means if it starts from 5 p.m. and it ends at 6 p.m., so 6 p.m. minus 5 p.m. you are getting 1 hour, right? So it is a 1 hour duration class. So any activity, how much any activity will require, or when your event is starting, that defines your time. Now, how can you measure time? What are the different units to measure the time? Can you tell some units to measure the time? Time, how much duration some activity require. So how will you calculate? Yes, Myra, correct. Hours, seconds, minutes. No, Arnav, AM, PM are not its units. Hours, seconds, minutes, and what is more than that? Correct. Goransh, days. And more than days, suppose it would have more than days, then months, years. Yes. Hamza, year. Correct. What is greater than year? Decade. Correct. Okay. Century. Okay. Correct. So these are all your units, right? What is the time? What is the unit? That means by which unit you are calculating the time. It can be minutes, it can be hours, it can be weeks. No one has given me answer about weeks, years, decades, century. So they are different units in which you measure the time. Okay. Now can you tell me what is the answer of 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? First answer. Yes, Hamza, correct. Aradhya, check again. Myra, correct. Arnav, correct. Goransh, correct. Agrima, correct. Aradhya, correct. Prathul, correct. Okay. I hope you are clear that what is a minute, what is a second, what is an hour. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. That is correct. Okay. Now 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to how many minutes? Arnav, correct. Tasya, correct. Hamza, Myra, Agrima, correct. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Very good. Now tell me 1 day is equal to how many hours? Arnav, correct. Yes, Goransh, Hamza, correct. Myra, correct. Ikram, correct. Arathya, correct. Yes, very good, everyone. 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day we have 24 hours. 1 week equal to how many days? Very good. Everyone is giving me correct answer for this. 7 days is correct. 7 days. 1 day equal to 7 days. Now tell me in 7 days, how many hours are there? 1 day has 24 hours. So 7 days has how many hours? Find it. 1 week. Yes, Aradhya, very good. Very fast. If 1 day, yes, Biham correct. Yes. Well, let's check your answer again. Arnav, correct. One day has 24 hours. Then 7 days means how many hours? Arnav, correct. Agrima, correct. Myra, correct. Varansh, correct. So 7 days means if we have to find for many, if we have count for one, if we have to find for many, we have to multiply. So 7 into 24, that is equal to 168. Okay, so answer is 168 hours. Now 1 year has how many months? Correct, 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 correct. Everyone is correct. There are 12 months in a year. Okay, now 1 century is how many decades? Lasya, correct. Arnav, correct. Aradhya, yes, 10, that is correct. Now 1 century is how many years? Yes, correct. 100 is correct. Now students, you people are sending your answers in the main chat. That means if you are sending your answer can be are visible to everyone. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to send me in the personal chat. Okay. Send me on Gunjan Jain. Okay. What you will do, you will press new chat by Control N and give your answer to me only, not to everyone. Okay. Control N. You will get an option to send me on the personal chat. Let's try. Now, can you tell me, give me your answer. How many seconds are there if I write 2 minutes plus 32 seconds and here we have 1 hour. Tell me how many total seconds will be there. Now give me the answer in the chat. 1 hour plus 2 minutes plus 32 seconds is equal to how many total? Yes, Agrima has given the answer. I have not given you this answer. 1 hour is equals to how many seconds? So you have to check again, Agrima. 1 hour equals to how many seconds? So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, and in 60 minutes we have 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 is 3600. So 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Now use this here also in this question. So total will be how much? No, Agrima, check your answer. Aradhya, not correct. Myra, correct. Myra is correct. With the help of Control N, you can send me your answer. Answer should be sent to Gunjan Jain. Convert all of them into seconds individually and then add. Okay. So we got that 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. 2 minutes will be 2 into 60. That is equals to 120. Now 32 seconds is already in 32 seconds. So just add 3600 plus 120 plus 32. What you are getting? This is 2, this is 5, this is 7, this is 3. So answer is 3752 seconds. Now tell me, any doubt in this question? If you are not able to understand, please tell me. Who is not clear with this? Three six nine two not correct. Varansh. Yes, Myra, correct. Prathul, not correct. Now tell me, do you have any doubt in this? Should I give you one more question like this? 2 hours plus 3 minutes plus 7 seconds is equal to how many total seconds? Try to do it now. Oh, Anay, do not annotate here, please. Write it in the chat. Do not annotate. Give your answer fast. Agrima, correct. Goransh, correct. Prathul, not correct. Myra, correct. Many of the students are not sending me any answer. Why it is so? Aradhya, not correct. Anay, use Control N to send the answer. Shayan, please send your answer. Okay, so 2 hours. 2 hours means how many seconds? 2 hours. 1 hour, we know that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 2 hour will be 2 into 3600. Send me answer. Myra. Yes, correct. Myra, not correct. Aradhya, correct. Okay. Do it fast. Pratul, yes, here only you have to send. So this is 7200. 2 into 3600 is 7200 seconds. Now, 3 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 3 minutes will be equal to 3 into 60. 6 3s are 18. So answer is 180 seconds for this. Okay, so we will write 180 seconds. This is already 7 seconds. We will not change it. Now you have to add 7200 plus 180 plus 7. Okay, just add all of them. You will get 7837. So 7387 seconds. Just check your answer. Are you which where you are doing mistake? Okay. Is it clear, Prathul? Okay. So now moving on to the next. Now you have understood how to convert your minutes into seconds and hours into seconds. Now we will understand how to add the time. For example, suppose the question is given that I require 1 hour, 25 minutes and 3 seconds to complete an activity, and someone required 2 hours, 34 minutes and 5 seconds to complete any activity. So what is the total addition of both the time? Okay, so how to do it? Okay, let's see here. Suppose this is your question. You have to add these two times. Okay, now what you will do? First, you will start with the seconds. Okay, you will start with the second. Then what is the addition you will get? 50 plus 34. What is the addition? This is 4 and this is 84. Okay, now we know that our seconds cannot be greater than 60 because in 1 minute there are 60 seconds, but here it is written 84. So what we will do? We will write it as 60 plus 24 seconds. Okay, 60 plus 24 seconds. Now we will write 24 here and 60 seconds 60 seconds means how many minutes? 60 seconds means it is 1 minute. And I will carry forward this 1 minute in the 1 minute row. Okay, I will forward it. So 1 minute is here and 24 seconds I have written here. Your answer cannot be greater than 60. If it is greater than 60, then you have to write it in this manner. Or what you can do, 84 minus 60 is 24. So you will write 24 here and will carry forward 1 in the minute section. Now, how many minutes are there total? 35 plus 40 plus 1. That is equals to 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now, again, this is greater than 60, right? Open your videos, everyone. I'm not able to get. If I teach you by keeping my video off, then is it a good thing? Mona. So keep your video on. So now it is 76. Again, it is greater than 60. So we will write 76 as 60 plus 20. Sorry, what I am writing here, 60 plus 16. Okay, so I will write 16 here and carry forward 60 minutes means how many hours? This is 1 hour 16 minutes. Okay, so I will forward this 1 minute here. Now what is the total of all hours? 1 plus 3 plus 2, 5 is 6. So this will be 6 hours. So what is the addition? 6 hours, 16 minutes and 24 seconds. Okay, is it clear how to do? Whenever your answer is greater than 60, either you can subtract it from 60 and get what is the answer and carry forward the 1. Similarly, add all of them. If again your all minutes are greater than 60, add them, write it, how much it is greater than 60 and carry forward 1 2 hours. Okay, who is not clear with this process? If you are clear, then I'll give you one more question. Okay. Okay, try to do this question. Do it, guys. Be fast. Your Olympiads means you have to work on your speed. Aradhya, just check that your answer cannot be greater than 60. Yes, Agrima, correct. Myra, correct. Arnav, correct. Agrima, correct. Give your answer fast. Aradhya, not correct. Goransh, your minutes are not correct. And ours also. Pratul, what is your answer? Correct. Pratul, correct. Okay, let's start. So we are having 40, we will start with the seconds. So 45 plus 30, what you are getting, that is 75. So it is how much it is greater, that means 75 can be written as 60 plus 15. So here we will write 15 and 60 we will do as a carryover. Okay, so this is your carryover. Now 34 plus 20 is 54, 54 plus 1 is 55. This is not greater than 60, so we will write 55 as it is. Okay, now 2 plus 7 is 9. So answer is 9 hours, 55 minutes and 15 seconds. Who is not clear with this? Just tell me, who is not clear? Okay, Aradhya, now is it clear or still you want explanation? At least open your videos. Okay, Gauransh, let me explain it again. Okay, see here, we will start with the seconds. 45 plus 30 makes 75. Okay, 75 seconds. Now your answer cannot be greater than 60. So we will write as 60 plus what is 75? 60 plus 15. Okay, so this is 60 seconds and 15 seconds. 15 seconds we will write as it is, and 60 seconds we will write as 1 minute 60 seconds. 1 minute 60 seconds. 15 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds is 1 minute. So 15 seconds we will write here, and 1 minute I will carry forward in the minute section. Okay, you have to write only 15 seconds, 1 minute you will forward in the minute section. Now 34 plus 1 plus 20, the total becomes 55. Now 55 minutes we can write because it is less than 60. Now just add 2 and 7. 2 and 7 makes 9. So answer is 9 hours, 55 minutes and 15 seconds, not 75. You will write 15 seconds. Answer, your minutes and seconds should be less than 60. Who is not clear? Who is still not clear? Okay, Aradhya, network issue. Yes, correct, Lasya. Okay. Gauransh, did you get it? Okay. Next. I hope additions are clear. Now let's do how to do subtraction. Okay, or you want some more? Okay, let's do this question. This is subtraction. Okay, so in subtraction, what happens if your top value is less? See here, again you will start with the seconds, but you cannot subtract 55 from 30, right? Because 55 is greater, how I can subtract 30 from it? So I have to make the upper value bigger. So how can we make it? This is less. In your subtraction, what you do? You take borrow from the previous column. Okay, so here also you will take borrow. So you will take 1 minute from here. And how many minutes will be remaining now? 19. Okay. Now, if you have taken 1 minute in seconds, that means how many seconds you have taken? 60 seconds you have already taken. So that means new seconds become 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. Now, what is 90 minus 55? What is 90 minus 55? Tell me, what is 90 minus 55? Myra, correct? Arnav, correct? Yes, 35 is correct. 90 minus 55 is 35. Okay, so you got this as 35. Now, what are our new minutes? 90 minus 30. 19 minus 30. So, can we do it? Again, this value is less. So, again, we have to make it more. So, what we will do? We will take borrow from here. So, 3 will become 2. And if you are taking 1 hour from here, that means how many minutes you have taken? 60 minutes. So, new minutes. What is the new minutes now? 60 plus 19, that is equals to 79. Now we will subtract 79 minus 30. So what is 79 minus 30? 49. 49, correct? Yes, Myra, Arnav. Okay. Aradhya. Aradhya, I think there is network connection from your side. So this is 49. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so answer is 1 hour, 49 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay, did you get it how to do? Method is clear or not? Should I give you question or still need explanation? Okay, let's do next question. Let's see you are able to do it or not. Okay. Yes. Subtract 5 hour 20 minutes 45 seconds from 7 hour 30 minutes 15 seconds. Now tell me which portion you will write in the first column. 5 hour or 7 hour? Where you will write first? Here first what you will write? 7 hour or 5 hour? Yes, Myra, correct. Hamza, tell me which one you will write first. Agrima, correct. From this you have to subtract. So that means 7 hour, 30 minutes, 15 seconds. From this This is 20, sorry. Just here it should be 5 hours, 20 minutes and 45 seconds. Okay. So you have to subtract this. What you will get? Agrima, check about hours. Okay, correct. Correct. Agrima, correct. Myra, correct. Dasya, correct. Gauransh, correct. Please send your answers fast. Anay, what is your answer? Okay, should I start? Arnav, correct. Okay. Now see here, your top value is less than the bottom. So we will take borrow from here. So this new value 30 will become 29 and 15 will become 15 plus 60, that is equals to 75. Now 75 minus 45 is 30. Now 29 minus 20 we can do directly, this is 9, and 7 minus 5 we can do directly, that is 2. So answer is 2 hours, 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Any doubt in addition, subtraction? Clear? Myra, your video is not working. Okay. Next is your 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. So have you seen these types of clocks at your home? What we call these clocks? What is this first clock? You have seen in your wall clocks? What we call these? In your mobile, which type of clock is visible? No, Gauransh, this is not 24-hour format. Okay. This is your analog clock and this is your digital clock. Digital clock you can see in the railways, your airports, right? These type of clocks you can see. Analog, correct. So in analog clock, what happened? In one day, the same hour repeats 2 times. For example, if I say this is 6 o'clock, so 6 o'clock can be in the morning as well as in the evening. Okay, 6 o'clock can be in the morning or in the evening. But how to distinguish that it is of morning or evening? For that we use AM or PM. Okay, but in your digital clock, there is only 6 o'clock. That means only one time it will appear. Okay, after 1 to 12, the next number will be from 13 to 24 or only up to 23. Last time is 23:59. After that, we get 00:00. Okay, so this is your 24-hour format and this is your 12-hour format. Because here after 12 again we get 1 to 12 and here we get the time from 1 to 24. So this is your 24-hour format, this is your 12-hour format. Now in 12-hour format, to distinguish between two different timings in the same day, we use AM and PM. Can you tell me what is the full form of this AM and PM? Anyone knows that? What is AM and what is PM? Okay, Gauransh, you can drink water. AM is anti-meridian. RI. Anti-meridian, and PM is post-meridian. Okay, that means it defines the time from midnight, 12 o'clock to noon, 12 o'clock. Okay, if there is a time, that means in the morning, you write it as AM. But if it is noon to midnight, that means in the evening and in the afternoon, we write it as PM. So what is the time if I say you play at 6? So that will be AM or PM. You play at 6. So that is for in the evening, that is AM or PM. Right, PM, correct. Myra, correct. Yes, so that is a PM. Now, when you go to school, that is AM or PM? Who is writing this? A PM full form. Arnav, it is meridian. Meridian, not ending with N. M only. Okay. Spelling is correct here. This is M, not N. M for mango. Okay. When you go to school, this is AM. Okay. So let's convert how to convert from one clock to another clock. Now what you have to do, suppose your time is given in 2:30 p.m. and you have to convert it into 24-hour format. That means in digital, what will be the timing? In digital clock or in mobile clock or in railway station, what will be the time? So that means in terms of 13, 14, 15, you have to write. So what will be the timing? 2:30 means what? First, understand that in AM we will not change. If it is given in PM, then only we will change. So we have to add 12 in this 2. Whatever the R is given to you. So 2 plus 12, that is equals to 14. So new time will be 14:30. And when you are writing in 24-hour format, do not write AM and PM because AM and PM are in 12-hour format. So this is 14:30, that is correct. Okay, now if I give you the time, what is the time? Tell me. If I have given 7:05 p.m. Convert 7:05 in 24-hour format. Give your answer. Agrima, correct. Myra, correct. Arnav, not correct. Just at 12. Pratul, not correct. 7:05 p.m. in 24-hour format. Do it fast. Arnav, correct. Gauransh, correct. Lasya, correct. Pratul, right? Full answer. That is correct. Okay, so we will add 12 in only R. So 7 plus 12 will give you 19. So time is 19:05 hours. You can write 19:05 hours or like this, 19:05. Okay, 19:05 minutes will remain as it is. Minutes and second will remain as it is. Okay. Now tell me, how will you convert 8:45 a.m. in 24-hour format? Convert 8:45 a.m. in 24-hour format. Myra, correct. Agrima, correct. Lasya, correct. In 24-hour format. Arnav, not correct. Send your answers fast. I'm counting up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, Hamza not correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What it is given here? AM. I told you you have to convert only when it is given PM. Okay, Gauransh? It is not PM. The morning time will remain as it is up to 12. After 12, it will change. Okay, so this will be 8:45 only. Okay, 8:45, and do not write AM and PM in 24-hour format. Okay, this will remain as it is only hours, 8:45 hours. Okay, next, that means if you are converting, the 13 will become 1. If you have to convert inverse, 13 will become 1, 14 is 2. So that means what we are doing, we are subtracting 12. If it is given in digital format and you have to convert it into 12-hour format, then what you will do, you will subtract 12 from it. So 14 minus 12 is 2, 15 minus 12 is 3. Like this you have to do. Now tell me the time if inverse is given. The question is 23, 20, and 30. Now convert this in 12-hour format. Convert this in 12-hour format. Digitally, clock is showing 23, 20, 30. If it has to be shown in AM and PM, then how it will look? Lasya, correct, but you have to write AM and PM also. Agrima, not correct. Just check some typing error, I think. Myra, correct. Lasya, correct. So from R, you have to subtract 12. Gauransh, not correct. What is 23 minus 12? Answer is 11. So answer is 11, 20, 30. Now this is 23. That means after 12, that means it is in PM. Okay, 11 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds. Answer is in PM. Okay, any doubt here? To do this, very easy. Just subtract 12 and in the inverse you have to add 12. Now this is called your duration. How to find the time between two activities. Okay, direct duration is finish time minus start time. When your activity is ending, subtract the start time and you will get the answer. Let's do direct question. What is this? Try to do. What is the total duration? If you know the subtraction, I have told you how to do subtraction, then it will be very easy. First, you will write the finish time minus start time. Finish minus start will give you total duration. Gauransh, correct. Myra, correct. Agrima, correct. Arnav, correct. Finish minus start. Duration is finish time minus start time. What is the finish time? 234 minus 123. So you have to subtract 234 minus 123. We have done subtraction. Start from this. So 34 minus 23 is 11. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 111. That means 1 hour 11 minutes. 1 hour 11 minutes is the correct answer. Okay. Now try to do this question fast. Goransh, not correct. It should require 1 hour 45 minutes. And see, if your start time is this, then will it be 1 hour? Yes. No, 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 Goransh, not correct. Arnav, correct. Myra, not correct. Do it once again. Some mistake you people are doing. Lasya, correct. Subtract 1 hour 45 minutes from 10. Agrima, not correct. If you are going at 9:55 and reaching at 10, so only 5 minutes are there. Just check your answer and your ending time. Are you getting 1 hour 45 minutes? What is your answer? And the final answer is 10. So are you getting 1 hour 45 minutes after subtraction? So what you have to do? 10 minus 145. That will give you the starting time. Again, this value is less. So take borrow, make it 60 and subtract 9. No, Goransh, not correct. 60 minus 45 is 15 and 9 minus 1 is 8. So starting time is 8:15 a.m. If I start at 8:15 a.m., then adding 1 hour 45 minutes will be 10 o'clock. Okay. So those who are sending 9:15 to 10 is only 45 minutes, not 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay. Clear? Question is clear or not? So if anything is given, duration is given and one time is given, then also you have to subtract. Okay. Next question. Should be heard. Okay. Read the question and at every sentence, try to frame what is the new time. How much she is traveling in the bus, you have to tell. How much she is traveling in the bus. Goransh, correct. Myra, not correct. From the when she boarded the bus, from that you have to find, not from when she left the house. Myra, correct. Arnav, correct. Agrima, correct. Give your answers fast. What is the time when she boarded the bus? It takes 15 minutes. 7:45. It takes 15 minutes. This is for minutes and this is for hours. So we will add 15 here. 15 minutes means it becomes 60. 60 means 00 you will write. Okay. So answer is 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock she took the bus. She boarded in the bus and at 9:15 she reached the office. So what is the total duration from 8 to 9:15? That is 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 15 minutes, option B. Tell me who is not clear with any question. Yes, tell me who is not clear with any type of question that is given. Now this is all your Olympiads. First you understood the basics, how to do addition, subtraction, conversion, 12 hour, 24 hour, and I gave you the questions directly. Did you find it difficult? Once you get how to do the basic operations on the numbers, then you already got to know how to do with the questions. That means you understood what is the question and you already know what to do and you are giving me the correct answer. Okay, so that's how we will do in classes also, but you have to be very prompt in giving the answer because we have to work on the speed. Many students know the answer but they are not able to complete the question paper. Okay, so you have to work on your speed, and only some of the students are giving me answers, so I want everyone to be participating in the class. Okay, so I'm ending the meeting. I hope we will meet in the class. Okay, bye everyone. Good night.